The 16-8 doesn't work, at least not for me. What's up, everybody? I'm James, the fasting dad, and today I'm going to talk about my personal method of fasting. Well, let's start off, we talked about the 16-8. 16-8 means 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours that you can eat. I don't use this method, and it does work, it just doesn't work for me. Why is that? It's really because when you're over 40 like I am, your body acts a little bit differently. And there's been studies on this, and other people have talked about it, and you can check that out. But basically, I need to fast longer. So I'm doing a 19-5 right now, and I'm trying to push it to a 24. 20 hours of fasting, 4 hours of eating. And basically I do that most of the time anyway. It's just some days I'm a little bit over the line. I start a little bit too soon, or I end up a little bit too soon. Today I was trying to do the 24 and it didn't work. I was too hungry. I just wanted to eat earlier. Instead of eating at 2, I wanted to eat at 1, and so I did. I broke my fast at 1 o'clock today. And I broke it with something that I shouldn't have also, pumpkin spice latte. I took my son to Starbucks and he wanted a cake pop as a reward for being good, so we gave it to him. And I couldn't not get it. I mean, obviously I could not get it, but I couldn't not get it. This was at about 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, and I held on to it. I didn't drink it until about 1:15, 1:30. And I was almost made it to 2, but I just couldn't do it. I was thirsty. I wanted the flavor of it, you know. Anybody else ever get that? These food cravings? Let me know in the comments down below. It was really tough. But good news. Today's day 8, and I'm down 11 pounds. Pretty excited about that. Yesterday, I didn't really lose any weight, and now today I'm 2 pounds less than yesterday, and making it for my total. This is pretty good. I'm hoping that my method that I'm doing right now, and the foods that I'm eating, and the choices that I'm making are paying off. And then I mentioned adding a little bit of exercise. I don't want to do that quite yet. I want to see just how much effect just the fasting is going to do. So for at least another week, I'm going to do just fasting and not add in exercise. Because I don't really exercise. I'm not an exercise guy. I'm really a sit on the couch kind of guy. Anybody else? If you're a sit on the couch kind of guy, give me a thumbs up. If you're an exercise kind of guy, give me a thumbs up. And let me know how you're doing. Is it your first day with a fast? Are you just curious about fasting? Have you done fasting for a long time? Comment your comments down in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow.